Hi everyone, welcome to Product Management Consulting. I am Partha Pratim Karan. Today I am going to talk about most important key areas into product management. These are really important. Brief about me. The product verticals I worked on or working on. These are the area we are going to highlight today. Yes. What is product? This is very important to understand. Next, what is called product management and how it's correlate with all the other department. You can see the correlation over here. Product discovery and how to ideate those pieces. Design thinking. This is the most important area into product management. How the way you think, how the best possible way you can solve. Yes, you also need to think from user prospect to develop a very brilliant or wonderful product. Product vision. These are area of product vision, product roadmap. How the way you can develop a wonderful product roadmap. Identifying the target audience or market or right audience or market. Important key area. Yes, how to convert your ideas into product proposal. MVP, minimum viable product. How to develop that and slowly how you have to get into the maturity phase. Competitive analysis, lots of market research involved over here. Yes, product growth, important area. These are also involved. Product planning process. To develop a wonderful product, how you can plan your process. Product development life cycle, similar to software development life cycle. These are the areas are involved into PDLC. PLM, product lifecycle management. From beginning to till end, how the product life cycle is going on. Agile and Scrum. This is the most important key area nowadays. Most of the organization they are adapting agile methodology, and some organization they are also using hybrid model. Yes, the reason for product failure or feature failure. Benchmark analysis. Yes, this is also most important. Benefit analysis. Lot of research involved over here. Benefit analysis is too important to understand. Product metrics and why it's so important. For any product to make it success, all the key parameter you need to involve in over here. Product or feature retirement. You need to know when and what to retire. Product pricing model. These are the top 10 pricing model. I'm also going to show you a few examples who they are using this pricing model. Yes, these companies are also using this model. This time what I did, I highlights all the key area into product management. From next time what I'll be doing, I'll pick one area and planning to talk about those. Yes, what? Do you like this? If yes, I'm always there to help you out. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.